Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and we are weekend ready here at Coffee with Craig show. Good to see you, Winston. Good to see you making
How's it going?
Yeah, good. I was just got hot off the press. All the companies, or not all, but a big list of the companies coming to the CRE Awards, our flagship event in Hungary on October 20th, and I thought I'd read off some of the names to you. This isn't everybody, but at least it's the company, kind of some of the highlighted ones. It would take us more than the 10 minutes probably to read off the other ones, but we have already confirmed. I mean, this is definitely, it's our fourth annual and definitely by far the biggest event we've done in Hungary. We already have confirmed PBB, Deutsche Pfandbrief Bank, New Work, Allianz Real Estate, Fit Out, Chapman Taylor, In Park, Wing, South Rock Asset Management, Avison Young, Hippo No, CBRE, Prologis Management, ECE Marketplaces, Considro Investments, Colliers, Oberbank, Sitno, the Hungarian Green Building Council, Adventum we know pretty well, big investors based in Hungary, Galcap, Sunbelt Development, who have been with us before, doing a lot of, I think, hotels. Also, Blue House Capital expanding quite a lot, and even into Poland. So, anyway, that's just the list of some of the CRE companies coming to the CRE Awards in Budapest on October 20th. I'll be in Budapest next week, so if you're in town or if you're based there and want to meet up and talk about our events or talk about the magazine or talk about what you're doing, we want to hear it all. Let me know, and we'll definitely be happy to come by your offices. Also, I'm bringing the film crew with us, and we're filming Coffee with Craig down there and with some of our clients. So if you're interested in being part of the Coffee with Craig show, drop me a message. We definitely can do it next week in Budapest. So having said that, we'll show you a little commercial on our CRE Awards, which is October 20th, or our Investment Awards, October 27th, 3 weeks after Expo Real, here in Warsaw. And we'll be right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, and the highlights of Europa Property News for Friday morning. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. Okay, we're back. I think I probably talked enough about Hungary and the CRE Awards, but pretty exciting stuff.
Promising mix there, Craig.
Yeah, a lot of good people coming, and a lot of investors, a lot of bankers, and just a lot of interest in this event. So I think after 2 years of not a lot of events happening, for sure on the international side for commercial real estate, it'll be a good time to meet everyone else again. Everyone again.
It seems like they all want to jump on board.
It does. So tell us, we've got some exciting news to take us through the weekend.
Yeah, we've got some news from the website for today, and Echo have sold 4 office buildings in Poland, Echo Investment, for 157 million euros. So
wow, that's a good way.
Big deals to start the day, and one of the main one is Midpoint 71, which is an office building in Wrocław, and it was acquired by Trigea, which is a Czech fund.
Sure.
Lots of Czech funds coming to Poland now looking for product.
They like it here.
They do. And this building was delivered last year, and it was sold for 100 million euros. And in the other deal, there's 3 office buildings which were acquired by KGAL for 56 million euros, and in Łódź. This is the Fuzja mixed-use development in Łódź.
Sounds like something for the investment awards.
These sound like good product, good deals for the investment awards. Yeah, you'll probably be seeing them there. Midpoint is around 80% leased, so they've got a good functioning product there, and it's leased to 3M, Pishna.pl, PwC, CitySpace, CCC Group, and Electrolux Poland.
All companies that can pay the rent.
Yeah, and it's expected to be fully leased in the coming months.
Oh, great.
And according to Echo Investment, they just they point out that Wrocław is one of the strongest regional office markets in Poland now, and it's getting increasing interest from tenants and investors. And I guess this deal proves that, you know.
Sure.
Moving on, and JLL have announced, or they've released their latest report made in Poland with their partners, the Polish Investment Trade Agency, Hayes, Alto. And this report is to provide investors and manufacturers essential up-to-date information as well as guidance on the industrial investment market in Poland, which, as you very well know, Craig, has been doing pretty well over the last couple of years, considering everyone else had a bit of a hit because of the pandemic. The industrial sector proved to be pretty resilient.
And probably if you're buying anything now, it would be good to get some advice, because prices are getting pretty pricey.
Yeah, it's getting a bit more competitive and a little bit more difficult. But according to the report in 2021, with the support of the Polish Investment Trade Agency, Poland, foreign companies invested around 3.5 billion euros into Poland. That was last year. And they say that manufacturers from all over the world see numerous advantages in investing in Poland. The country is a favourable location, and it's got a modern transport infrastructure connecting the region's major main cities. As well as Poland's geographical location, the country has also increased its competitive advantage thanks to attractive cost of doing business and public investment incentives. So,
right. Well, all the investors we've talked to lately, or especially over the last few weeks, Poland is number one.
Poland is number one in the region for sure. Moving to the Czech Republic and staying in the industrial manufacturing sector, and the Accolade Group, they've announced they're going to invest around 6 billion Czech crowns in the Karlovy Vary region. Accolade's portfolio there currently includes 2 industrial parks with a total of 5 buildings and 13 tenants. 3 more buildings are in preparation and under construction, and so far the group has developed around 250,000 square meters of space in the area of a value which exceeds 5 billion Czech crowns. And according to Milan Kratina, he's the CEO of Accolade, besides building modern, functional and sustainable buildings, an industrial real estate investor should always strive to care for the immediate neighbourhood of their projects and the wider community. So Accolade launched operations there in 2013 in this area. And these days, the region is perceived by investors and businesses as one with great business potential.
Right. And they've also been a huge investor in a bit in the north, but in the west part of Poland in industrial. So yeah, it seems to be they're spreading out, and doing a lot.
And they team up with a number of developers. They've done a few things with Panattoni.
Yeah, I think that's their main partner here in Poland.
I think so, yeah. And finally for today, Craig, MyHive Atrium Park in Budapest is 100% leased. This is, according to Immofinanz, this is because they've successfully extended leases and they've got some new clients, and it's one of the flagship buildings in the MyHive brand, and it's changes to the office market in recent years have seen flex grow in importance,
right.
And so this has seen the company introduce a number of flex opportunities and facilities tailor-made to tenants' needs. And according to Otto Voros, he's the country manager for Immofinanz in Hungary, in addition to the My Office and My Co-work services, our tenants can of course enjoy the full MyHive service package of the office building, excellent infrastructure, common areas, and additional amenities for all MyHive members.
Well, that's great. Maybe I'll try to go down. Maybe I'll visit him this week and see how MyHive in Budapest is doing. I mean, sounds like it's doing great, but maybe take a look at it.
Yeah, it's well worth taking a look at that for sure.
Yeah, very good. All right. Well, so that's all we have for the week, huh?
That's all we have for today, Craig.
Right. All right. Well, sounds like a good way to take us into the weekend. So everyone enjoy yourselves. Enjoy the weekend. Drink a lot of water. It's going to be hot in the region, I think.
I
And
was going to say drink a lot.
a lot of water. Yeah, drink a lot of
very
water.
sensible advice.
Exactly. You know, there's always you always get sensible
doing
advice
that while
here.
I'm sitting by the pool this weekend.
Exactly. Always sensible advice on Coffee with Craig. And so we will see you all on Monday. We'll be broadcasting with the film crew from Budapest. So a lot of interesting things. Maybe we'll get Gary in there too with some surprise guests as well from Budapest. So stay tuned.
You probably catch him out of his busy schedule. You know, he's a busy guy down there.
Not easy. And we will see you on Monday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.